This Zerillo Realty property video is presented by Ayvaz. Come tour this desirable 2-bed 2-bath condominium in Elmwood Park. Open floor plan with tons of natural sunlight gleaming in from not one, but two barbecue-friendly balconies. Generously sized rooms and closets for storage throughout. Stainless steel appliances in unit washer-dryer, hardwood floors throughout, and one garage parking space. Move-in ready, will not last long. Come and see today. Centrally located in the heart of Elmwood Park for all of your convenience. Close to public transportation, restaurants, shops, Metra, and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Ayvaz at 708-583-8300.